Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be installing this Share Muse Sensational Lace Wig in the color Mint Frost. This hair is super duper soft. These are all the colors that they have available for this specific wig. This is it out of the box. When I say this wig was super duper soft, it was giving like very much human hair. Like I couldn't get over it. So we're going to install this today, and this is the overall cap construction of the wig. It is a T-part, so we're just going to go ahead and start doing our ball cap method. I do my ball cap method every time I put on the wig, unless it's like a half wig or something, but I don't wear those. But I do the ball cap method like all the time. So now I'm using my Ebin lace glue. I wanted to try something different. This glue is pretty good. It does have like a smell to it, like it smells like rubber, like I don't know, but it's pretty good so far. So I do the ball cap because like if I just put on a cap and just decide to throw the wig on, I just feel like it doesn't last long. With the ball cap, I feel like it lasts longer because you don't have to worry about the cap sliding off if you don't do it. So that's why I do the ball cap method. But I'm about to start cutting this ball cap. So as y'all know, I don't cut it like down the middle. I cut it like in the middle, and then I go like from ear to ear. That way there's like a band. I have to do like a more in-depth tutorial for you guys, because I feel like every time I explain how I do this, it don't sound right, but like you can see like what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch that until it's time for me to put on the wig. So cleaning the perimeter of your hairline is strictly important because you don't want like glue buildup. So just make sure you clean that. And now I'm going in with my Ebin lace tint. I'm the shade medium brown. So I'm gonna tint the lace. I'm gonna tint the ball cap and not the lace, because I find that when I be tinting the lace, when I tint the lace, it goes through and it messes up the color of the hair. Like if I have colored hair, if it's like black hair, then it's okay. But if it's like blonde or like this color that I have, or anything brighter or lighter than that, I don't recommend to tint the lace. So I just went in with a thin layer of my Ebin lace glue, and this glue is pretty okay. Like it's really pretty okay. I paid $17.99 for this glue at my local beauty supply store. So I'm just gonna put a thin layer of that on, smooth it out, and use my blow dryer on like a medium to cool setting, and then I'm gonna apply my lace and prepare to cut it. I did pluck this wig before I applied it. I don't know, just look at it. Although it's a T-part, like you could pluck a little bit, just not too much. And that track was already showing before I plucked it, but I plucked it anyway because I thought that I was gonna make like a huge difference. Because when I was watching like reviews on this wig, I thought it was like very bulky, like from seeing other people put it on, due to the fact that it's a T-part, and that was like kind of making me nervous, making me scared. Because I did have this same wig before, but I had it in black. But they have like two different ones. It's like a Share Muse Lashon one, and then it's another one. I forgot the name of it. But the other one, it only comes in like 4 colors, and I had that one in black, and it was like 30 inches. But that wig, that one, it was like too thick. It was like very bulky. I didn't like it. So here I'm just cutting the lace and making sure that everything is like down and tacky, like secure. So I did realize that I didn't cut enough lace off, but that's okay because I ended up doing my makeup, so you couldn't really see it. But I didn't really cut that much of my lace off because I like the fact that I can still see the hairline, like where the hairs like sprout out from, in order to make it look like natural. But I could have cut like more off, but I ended up doing my makeup. That's why I did it, because I didn't want the makeup to end up in the hair. So now I'm going in with my Ebin lace melt spray. I don't know how I feel about that spray yet. I don't know how I feel about it yet. I feel like either I'm not using it right or it's just not doing what it needs to do. So I applied that, and I applied some Got2b glue, and then I'm taking like a stocking to lay my lace down. I find that better than using a scarf. I don't know, it just lays it down like way better. And then now I'm hot combing my hair on, I put the dial like on a 5 or like a 10. And I don't know why, but like when you apply heat to a synthetic wig, like it changes the texture of the hair. First it gives you like this yucky feel, but then like when you put heat to it, it gives you like a silk finish. I kind of like that. And this was it, like after I took the band off. See, it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad at all, but I don't know. I guess the lace was like too bright, so maybe I should have like tinted it. I don't know. But when I did my makeup, it looked pretty good. So I'm gonna go in and clean the perimeter of my hairline again to remove like all that glue that's on there. And that's about it. If you guys want to see how I accomplished the makeup look that I did, please click the link above. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on your post notifications for more, and stay tuned when I upload another video. Thank you guys for watching.
They just wanna fuck with you, 'cause they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end?